on your number one fan.
See, no one loves you more than me.
Nobody.
And no one ever will.
Oh God. You the shit, baby. Give me a kiss, baby. You a real life super bad bitch, baby. Swear super.
Hey babes, it's TheReal.Miss Savage, and I'm back here with another Days in My Life vlog for you guys. So this is one of my favorite right now Filipino bar and restaurants, and it's very laid back. It's really nice ambiance, very cute, very sexy, dimly lit, nice smooth music, great customer service, and the food. We're going to get into the food. And I believe it's also Asian infused. You know, I start with the Hennessy lemon drop with the sugar rim. If you never tried it, you gotta try it. No vodka included. These are their appetizer wings. Now, you guys, if you know me, I don't eat anything with sauce on them. So these are like a honey glaze. It's really a thick sauce that's just caramelized inside of the chicken, and it's really so good. Never tried anything saucy like that before until I came here. And these are, again, something I never tried before. These are their truffle mashed potatoes. These actually have like mushrooms in them, and I do not like mushrooms. I actually put them out. But everything else in there is so flavorful. I really enjoy those. I order those every time I come here as well. Normally it comes with the dinner that I order. And for my entree, I went with the skirt steak because it came with the chimichurri on the side. That sauce they have is so good. And I ordered corn for my side. They normally come with fingerling potatoes, but I already had the mashed potatoes as my appetizer. And this is the next day, getting ready to treat myself to brunch before I complete my errands for the day, which was a little bit of car maintenance. I want to go get some self-care things. And this is a spot that was a hidden gem because this is not a spot I discovered before until I actually found it last minute after thinking that I was going to go to 3 other places. I found this place, and let me tell you, I was really impressed. That was a Bellini that I ordered. I ordered 2 of those. They were so good. At first I was very questionable of what I had ordered, but once I tasted it, I'm like, oh, this is really good. And this is the second Bellini that I ordered. And they're known for their bottomless mimosas and their specialty pancakes. Love that place. It was nice and clear, quick seating, and it was a bunch of ladies in there working. Very nice. I actually talked to them a little bit about my YouTube channel, so shout out to that lady. I hope you go ahead and start your YouTube journey because everybody needs a YouTube. And I hope you watch this video and catch this food review. Pancakes were spectacular. You guys, I normally don't order pancakes with all that stuff on them, but I'm glad they came out the way they did because they were the best pancakes I've tasted since I've been up north. This is me just taking a selfie in the mirror that was right by my table. See, you see the bottomless mimosas. It was like 65 degrees yesterday. It was so good. I literally pulled my socks off as soon as I jumped out of my car because the weather was so perfect. It was like socks off, jackets off, just be outside. So I really enjoyed the day yesterday. Really just got to sit with myself and treat myself, run a few errands, get all of my meal prep out the way, which is our next stop. Okay, guys, ride with me to get all of my meal prep stuff for the week. No, I forgot I had to stop and get my car maintenance first. So that's actually what we're on our way to. And then we will go to the store and get our weekly meal prep stuff. So I went ahead and dropped the car off next door for the maintenance thing that needed to be done. And it was so nice outside. I sat outside right in front of the ice cream place, but the sun was beating down so good. I went ahead and got me a slushie from the ice cream place, which she actually ended up giving to me free. I actually ended up inquiring like what size the small had looked like, and she's just like, I'll just give you a medium. So shout out to the lady who gave me the free slushie. That was awesome, and it was really good. I got a strawberry kiwi slushie, which you'll see here in a minute. Oh, maybe not. So I'm back here at the grocery store getting my meal prep stuff because the girlies want to know how I stay so slim. But I do eat. Fun fact, I do eat. Okay. I actually probably eat a lot more than I would say a normal person. I eat probably like 5 times a day. Unless I'm intermittently fasting, which I do sometimes, like days at a time, where I only eat like 1 heavy meal a day, and then I go the rest of the day and I'm not hungry, so I don't eat anything. But my energy is still great when I do that. But this week I am eating because I'm changing my schedule around. So it's going to require a lot more energy, I feel like. But I'm getting my basics, which is steak, and chicken and a lot of mixed vegetables, some frozen vegetables, some fresh vegetables from produce. And I get me nice hearty things for breakfast, like a lot of grained bread. I didn't see any rye bread, which we'll get to in a minute. Wait, let me correct something. I said I eat 5 times a day, not 5 times a day. When I say that, I mean, okay, I start the day sometimes with a fruit smoothie, which holds me over about 3 hours or 4 until like I'm actually hungry again, or until I'm hungry for the day, like for some actual hearty food. Or I'll start like the day with eating some fruit, like an orange, a tangerine, an apple, or just something hearty like oatmeal, which really holds me over. That's why I grabbed oatmeal. I know it's the instant oatmeal, which is a little bit childish, but I'm not standing over a stove every day making oatmeal. I just don't have time for that right now in this current lifestyle I'm living. And these Quaker Oats instant oatmeals have always ate down. They are a little bit more expensive. It literally took me about 5-6 minutes to pick out a proper oatmeal with the right flavors and the right brand, because I didn't want anything off brand, because you know sometimes when you get off brand, the flavor is off brand. Another thing is, make sure you get your daily water intake. I'm not saying you need to be drinking a big old pitcher of water every day, but get what is needed for your body. You have to stay hydrated. Make sure you get your liquids in, okay? And that can be through your fruit, but mainly make sure you get it in through that water. Now, Gatorades are crazy. These used to be like 99 cents. Now they're $3 for one of these. And I did grab one of the $8.99 ones, but I did end up putting it back because I'm like, it's not worth it for Gatorade. This is a new wine. I'm tired of drinking the Riesling that I always get. So this is like kind of a spiked sweet wine, and it's a red. I normally don't drink red wine, but I'm excited to try it. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. And I only spent like no, I wasn't even at $100 when I left this store. I was at 82, like $82 and some change, maybe around that, I think. Or maybe it was like 110. I think it was 110 because she ended up scanning the wine later because she wasn't old enough. Okay, so yes, 110 when I left that store, but overall, because I stopped at 2 other stores to get like my work snacks, that everything came to about 122, 125. So this is the stuff that's gonna last me at least like a week or 2. I say about 2 weeks, but if you guys enjoy this content, like, comment, and subscribe if you like the vibe. And it's The Real Miss Savage checking out.